life some days. Now that I'm out of the metaphorical woods, I'd like to take you on a date. I'll put on a new shirt, shave my face so it's more kissable, 'cause that's the spark that we need some days. When you're gone, I'll speak your love language. Acts of service and whatever the other four are. When you get home, you know I love the love we make. But if you need to just kiss, that's okay. I'm good with that. I'm not really into compromising much, but it doesn't really feel that way when it's at the hands of true love. It's been a long time, but I remember it well, just like the photo we keep on the shelf. Oh, we were young, oh, we were young. Now 10 years have passed and we're still locked in time. I don't take for granted the years that go by. Started with a gaze, here we remain. All of the moments collected in time, perfectly bound like your hand fits in mine. Lucky to find what we're both looking for in this life. My heart is aching, but somehow in all the right places. You make me feel like enough. I'm ever yours, I'm ever yours. My heart is racing, these tears of happiness shaking, 'cause I know that I found love. I'm ever yours, I'm ever yours. Always believed that after the miles we find ourselves here at the end of the aisle. Looking at me, you're looking at me. What more could I want? What more could I need? Our hands intertwined in this sweet symphony. You're all that I want to forever breathe. All of the moments collected in time, perfectly bound like your hand fits in mine. Lucky to find what we're both looking for in this life. My heart is aching.